Welcome back to my channel Irene Discovers. This time I'm here at the Ars Electronica Festival in Linz. Linz is the capital of the Austrian province of Upper Austria. The festival takes place from 7 to 11 of September, and the main theme of the festival is Welcome to Planet B. But what does Planet B mean? Does it mean we need to move to a different planet, or what is the core of this discussion? And what it means is more or less that we need to change our lifestyle so that in the end the planet can survive. The festival, first to clarify things, there is the Ars Electronica Festival and there's the Ars Electronica Center. The Ars Electronica Center is this interesting, very nice building at the Danube that in the evening it's all in different colors. And this one is the permanent Ars Electronica Center that you can visit all year long. And you can also visit the permanent exhibition there, as well as the Deep Space 8K theater, but about this later. And then there is the Ars Electronica Festival, which is the annual festival, which in the past 2 years had a little bit of a disturbance, which is all what we all know is the corona pandemic. So the festival moved more and more into the digital space. So now you can also watch many parts of the festival online, for example on YouTube, and that's how it developed. But this year it's back in full swing, and so I came here. For me there are two main, there are 12 locations in the city, as said before. The headquarters of the Ars Electronica Center is at the Johannes Kepler University, that you can reach with tramline 1 or 2. You can go there until the last stop. And then there's the Ars Electronica Center close to the Danube. So I will show you around. I will also first show you, I will go chronological. So first you will can watch my visit to the Ars Electronica Center, and then on Saturday I came for the Johannes Kepler University. For the ticket prices, the festival pass, if you go the whole festival and want to see pretty much everything, it's 160 euros, and the one-day pass is 55 euros. For me, I only buy the tickets at the sites that I visit, which is approximately 12 euros at the Ars Electronica Center and about 14 euros at the Kepler Gardens. Also, be aware that this 1 week festival means high season in Linz, so all hotels are pretty much booked. So you need to make sure, if you stay more than 1 day, to book your hotel well in advance, so you get the best deal for your budget. So let's go.
Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change.
My, oh my, my, oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Unbreakable.
Gosto play comentar. Gosto play comentar.
Suka